Welcome back to my channel. In this video you will get a brief account on two-component system, which is a type of cell signaling pathway. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please like it, share it and subscribe it, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Plants and microorganisms can sense signals from external environment and respond accordingly with the help of a cell signaling pathway termed as two-component system. Two-component system is a type of cell communication pathway which allow cells to sense and respond to various stimuli like changes in osmolarity and pH. As the name indicates, the system consists of a membrane-bound sensor and a corresponding response regulator region. They are commonly found in plants, bacteria, and fungi. The picture here gives a simple representation on two-component system. When the cell signaling molecule arrives the intermembranous space, the histidine residue that is present in the C-terminal end of the sensory protein gets autophosphorylated with the help of ATP. This phosphate group is then transferred to aspartate residue that is present in the response regulator region, and this process is done with the help of an enzyme called histidine kinase phosphotransferase. And what is this process called? This process is called as phosphorylation. And when this response regulator is activated by a phosphate group, it can regulate the transcriptional activity of various genes and thus help the organism to respond to the changes accordingly. ENVZ-OMPR is a type of two-component system, and this regulator helps the microorganism to sense the changes in the osmolarity of the medium and respond accordingly. Here the ENVZ is a sensory protein which have histidine residue, and OMPR is the corresponding response regulator region. The OMPR can exist in two forms, a slightly phosphorylated form and a highly phosphorylated form. When the osmolarity is low, ENVZ shows low kinase activity towards OMPR, and this OMPR binds with DNA sequence, thus upregulating the transcription of OMPF genes or genes for OMPF porins. Under conditions of high osmolarity or when the medium is nutrient rich, ENVZ show high kinase activity towards OMPR, and this OMPR binds with genes that upregulate OMPC genes or genes for OMPC porins. Porins are the proteins that act as channels across cell membrane, thus facilitating the movements of molecule across cell membrane. The pore size of OMPF porins are larger when compared with OMPC porins. The CHEA-CHEY is another type of two-component system which is involved in chemotactic movements of bacteria. Bacteria needs to stay away from repellents and move towards attractants. In the absence of attractants, the bacterial flagellum rotates clockwise, causing the bacteria to tumble and fall off. The attractant in the medium is sensed by methyl accepting chemotaxis proteins which are located in bacterial inner membrane. When the MCP or methyl accepting chemotaxis proteins sense attractants, the CHEA proteins gets autophosphorylated. Here CHEA is the sensory protein which transfer phosphorus group to CHEY protein, which is the response regulator. The CHEY proteins then phosphorylate flagellar motor switch protein or FLIM, which is present on the C ring of basal body. This phosphorylation makes the rotation of the flagellum counterclockwise, or the movement of bacteria towards the attractant.